You want me to be real? PM Namo addressed the 118th episode of Man Ki Baat. Bihar CM Nitish Kumar recently made a sexist remark. Andhra CM gets 11,450 crore financial support. All hail Namo. No one can escape the taxman's gaze. Leader Rahul launched a T-shirt movement to oppose rising wealth inequalities, fight for social equality, to map the ownership of land Government of India launched Shwamitwa scheme. Aam Aadmi Party workers joining BJP. As opposition leaders rally for change, cracks emerges within their own ranks. India stands at the crossroads of change. Leaders clash, schemes flourish, and voices rise.